Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how much it costs to replace a Tesla battery. The cost to replace a high-voltage battery in a Tesla varies significantly, generally ranging from $10,000 to over $22,000 for an out-of-warranty replacement. This wide price range depends on several key factors. First, the Tesla model and battery size. Larger battery packs for models like the Model S and Model X are typically more expensive, often costing between $15,000 and $22,000 including labor. Replacement packs for a Model 3 or Model Y can be lower, often in the range of $10,000 to $15,000 for the total job. Second, warranty coverage. All Tesla batteries come with an extensive warranty, typically 8 years or up to 150,000 miles, depending on the model. This warranty covers the battery if it fails or if its capacity drops below 70% of the original capacity. If the replacement is due to a defect and is covered by the warranty, the cost to the owner is zero. Out-of-warranty replacements, however, are fully paid for by the owner. Third, labor and parts. The battery pack itself is the main expense, but you must also account for labor costs, which can add several hundred to a few $1,000s to the total bill, depending on the service center's hourly rate and the time required for the replacement. Miscellaneous parts like connectors and wiring may also be needed. Fourth, the condition of the replacement battery. The quoted price can be for a brand new battery pack or a remanufactured one, with remanufactured packs sometimes being a less expensive option. In summary, while the cost is substantial, typically between $10,000 and $22,000 out of warranty, most Tesla batteries are highly durable and are covered for many years, meaning most owners will never have to pay for a replacement. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.